Welcome back to DDO Trades. Today, as you can see, we took a major loss, $639. We took 6 total trades today. They're all pre-recorded, so I will show you real time with voiceovers what trades I took that resulted in this big of a loss. I went on tilt and I made dumb mistakes because I was impatient. And so yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first trade was a short. I saw there was a break at this first line, and I thought, well, it's going to continue downwards given the 15-minute candle closure, but it did not continue downwards. As you can see, I took almost a full loss. I didn't end up managing risk properly, but that was the trade. Okay, the next trade was a long. This was actually a good trade, but I got stopped out at break even. So as you can see, there was a pullback on gold. I targeted the recent highs that it made that reversed. So my idea was that if price got to at least 30 points above where I bought, then I can secure at least the trade, or if it comes down, it's going to invalidate the trade. It just tapped my stop loss at that point and then went back up to where I had set my take profit. So that was unfortunate. And the lessons learned there is to be patient and to keep my stop loss not too tight. That way it allows the trade to breathe. At this point in the trade, I was hoping that price would come back down and tap my buy limit and hopefully push back up because I wanted a good price for it, but as you can see, it did not come back down. So that was a good trade, but I moved my stop loss up too soon.
Order filled.
This next trade was a short. I have seen this pattern before. I thought price was going to reject this recent high at that rejection level, and so I put in some shorts, but price started to retrace quickly, and at this point I had lost enough where in my mind I didn't want to lose too much, so I was trying to manage risk by buying at a cheaper price, and it kept going up. And at this point you can see I'm just placing trades like it's candy, no strategy, no entry or exit criteria, and as you can see I keep getting stopped out. I thought this trade was gonna go past this recent high, but I don't know why I thought that. So the last 2 trades there, if I had just kept to my stop loss, I would have been fine. It would have come down and I would have had a good trade there, but we were on tilt, so there was no logic to this trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
So by now you can see I should have stopped trading a long time ago, but I thought let's do one more because price kept rejecting off of that recent high, and I've seen this pattern before. I knew this is going to retrace back, not maybe to that level, but at least 50%, and if I am able to get a good price, it'll make back what I had lost. But that kind of thinking is what makes people profitable for a long time. And so this is good that I'm catching myself, with this kind of thinking real time. So yeah, no excuses for this kind of trading. It's definitely a setback for this, for the purpose of this account, but the account's still there, and I think we can bring it back from here. There's no reason we can't. So yeah, moral of the story: disciplined trades. We have to keep ourselves accountable. I locked myself out at that point, and that was the best decision I could have made at that time. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.